Everyone, today I have brought a very small video with a very quick update regarding the slab rates. If you don't know about the slab rates, you can just ask me. I'll explain you. So as we all know that the finance budget of this 2020 year introduced a new scheme or new regime for the slab rates. The old scheme still prevails. They have asked us to choose between the two, whether we can go for the new slab rates or we can go for the old slab rates, and we can pay our taxes accordingly. They have given us the option. So now there is a confusion between people that whether they should go with the old slab rates or whether they should go with the new slab rates, which will be more beneficial to them, as in like which will make them pay lesser tax. So there's a confusion. So I'm here to solve your confusion, and even you can solve it like within few seconds with the help of our income tax website. Now what you have to do is simply you have to go on e-filing website. On your Google search page, just put e-filing ITR or whatever if you page. So e-filing website home page will come, and this is how this page looks. If you are the new one to see this, so this is how it looks. I have to just cross it. Here it is like every tab is mentioned. You have to go to the quick link tab. You can see this quick link tab. In that tab you have to just click on tax calculator for FY 2020-2021. Now financial year and assessment year. Financial year is also known as, I'll show you it again. Financial year is also known as your previous year. Like why previous year and what is previous year and what is assessment year? So I'll explain you. Previous year is the year in which you earn the income, and assessment year is the year in which you are subjected to tax for that particular income. So normally in our terms we say previous year and assessment year. So you have to click on financial year. यहाँ पे लिखा है, तो it is just like the previous year. Previous year 2020-2021, the financial year starts, you all know, it is from 1st of April 2020 to 2021. So this year basically, and the next year will be subjected to tax, that will be your AY. Again, we have to just click on this thing, tax calculator for FY 2021, and this page will open. Here you are supposed to put your age. You're not your age. You are given the slab rates. Basically the slab rates are according to the age. It's like these are the slab rates ka age limit. So we will start with 60 years. Below 60 years you just have to put your annual income. So just estimated annual income डालना है, तो you know your annual income what it will be, or just estimate it for this year, and you put it as, I put it as 8 lakhs. Okay, then they are asking you some exemptions and deductions. Zero ज़्यादा हो गया यार. हाँ. They are asking you for exemptions and deductions. So what is exemption and deductions? So if you have invested in some ATC, like you have invested in PPF, you have invested in NSE, you have invested in LIC, you are supposed to pay the medical claim, medical insurance claims, whatever premium which you have, claims nahi, premium which you have to pay, then that particular deductions you can take. So that all is covered under exemptions and deductions. So I say that I must have invested, or I will be investing in 50,000 into this PPF, that is your 80C ka deduction. So ahead, compare tax under existing and new regime. You don't have to do anything. You have to just simply click on this particular thing and you will get the comparison. So your tax as per old regime will be 65,000 and new regime will be 46,800. So you will be saving almost 18,200, right? Good it is. You should go with the new scheme also. So it depends basically किसका क्या income है. If a person, individual citizen, is up to 60, it is beyond 60 years to 80 years, then we will keep the income same. Also the deductions we will keep the same, and we will just click on this. And there is any change? Yes, there is any change. Something changes there. Old regime mein we are getting 62,400, new regime mein we are getting 46,800, and the final amount is like what you are saving is 15,600. So again there is a benefit. We'll again go with the upper se or upper, super senior citizen. If super senior citizen you are, then your tax as per the old regime will be 52,000, and new regime के लिए you are liable to pay 46,800, which will help you to save your tax that is 5200 in the new regime. So this new regime will give you a benefit of 5200, so you can decide accordingly in what way you have to go. Thank you.